Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you make a purchase. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 21. If we start with this box here, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes. So 4, 8, 4, 8. That means that our 6 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 5, 9. 5 here, so 4, 9, and no help here, 4, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 9. 6 here, so 5, 9, 5, 9. That means that our 6 has to be here. We look at this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. No other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. No help here, 2, 5, 9. No help here, 2, 5, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5. No help here, 3, 4, 5. No help here, 3, 4, 5. We look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. And I don't see any help, so 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4, 9. No help here, 1, 4, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 5, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so 7, 8. 7 here, so 2, 5, 8. 2 and 8 here, so 5. Oh, and the 7 there. So this is our 5. We've got 2 and 7 here, so that means this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 7, and so this is our 2. Let's see what we can clean up from that. Can get rid of this 8, this 5. All right. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9, and the 4 can't be in this column, so it has to be here. Now that 4 makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3, and with that 4, we can get rid of this 4. Now this 3 makes this our 5 and 4. Get rid of the 4s. That 5 now makes this our 9. 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 9. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. And also this 9. All right, if we look at this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 1, 8. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this has to be our 3. That 3 makes this our 1, 6, and this 1 makes this our 3. For this row now, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, a 1 here, so 5, 9, and no help here, 1, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 2 here. So that makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 2. Then we can get rid of this 9 and this 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. No help here. 3, 5, 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 2, and 2 and 8 there makes this our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 8. 3, 1. That 1 makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 7. And so let's just take a look here. So with this 1 here, neither of these can be 1s, so that makes this our 1, 5. That 5 makes this our 3. This 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 9, 5, 4. That 9 makes this our 5, 9, 5, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.